you are an upcoming fashion designer and you are struggling with low quality of images, your images are not speaking up well for you, they are not very clear, and you want to find solution to that, maybe because you don't have a camera that captures what that gives you the quality of what you really want to get, stay to the end of this video. Okay, and because of those low quality images, you are not getting clients on your social media handles because your images are not very clear. Just stay to the end of this video. People are visual beings. People are captivated or are captured by the quality of images they see you display on your handles, right? So if your images are not giving them that vibe that they want, they will not patronize you. You may be the best tailor, but if your images are not speaking up for you, trust me, you are not going to be getting the client that you deserve. So before we kickstart on how to go about solving the problem of getting low quality images, you're going to do me this one thing. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Hey dear lovelies, my name is Shiva and I am the brain behind Nexa Fashion 247 on YouTube. My channel is basically a place where I make pattern making, sewing tutorials, dresses, trousers, tips and hacks of fashion, and I have gone through this problem, and that is why I am bringing up this little knowledge that I have acquired to you guys. So I have experienced low quality images, okay, on my Facebook, my Instagram, and my TikTok, where I upload my work. The world has evolved, okay, and there are a lot of applications that has made these things very easy for us. You don't have to have the best phone to take pictures. You don't have to invite photographers to take pictures if you don't have the capability. If you have the capacity, then it's fine. But if not, there are a lot of applications that you can use in this digital world. What I usually do, I will first of all take the pictures and I will go to those applications. I want you to just stay to the end of this video and see the value you will derive in this video. So there are two of those applications that I usually use. There might be many out there, but the ones I use are two, okay? And they are all for different purposes. There are things that the other might not do that I try to use the two, all right? So stay tuned and see. So the first one, actually the last one is my favorite, okay? But the first one also does a lot of things for me. The first one is Gemini, okay? Gemini. I'll be dropping it on the screen so that you will see, all right? You can get it on your Play Store. What I usually do on the Gemini is basically I will display the dress on a mannequin. After displaying the dress on the mannequin, I will take a picture of it on the mannequin. Then I will take the picture to Gemini. It is an AI application where you chat with AI directly, all right? So I will go to the application and then let me show you how I do it so that you will see it for yourself. So the application is called Gemini and you can get it from your Play Store if you don't have it installed on your phone. So this is Play Store. You go to your Play Store, all right, and you search for Gemini. Gemini, yeah. So you go to Gemini Google, all right. So this is Gemini Google. You see it ticked. It is already installed on my phone. That is why you see the open button there. So let's open it. And if you have not installed, then you install it. So if you look at my screen here, you will see that already it has Hello Shiva. Hello Shiva. So that is how it is connected to Google. That is why it has all my information. So the next thing is you click on this plus sign, then you add the image you want it to modify, or you have taken a picture of it, or you must have gotten a human being, you wear the dress on the human being and you take a picture of the person, okay, before you now install this. So you come to the plus sign and then you go to gallery, just take a picture, any random picture. All right, I'll take any random picture and ask the application to help. Yes, so this image, so I have an image, okay, then you will type, you this space here, it's telling you ask Gemini. You look at the left top screen, okay, so you tell it, um could you could you model this dress on a mannequin. Let's start with mannequin. On a mannequin, could you model this dress on a mannequin? You put your question mark and you send. So we are going to wait on the response that we will get from the AI, from Gemini. All right, so look at the reply. Absolutely, here is the dress modeled on a mannequin. Could you see that? All right, let me turn the screen this way so that you see it very well. Yes, so you, oh my goodness, it gave me the same thing. Okay, it gave me the same thing, so I'll make it more specific. So I will tell it on another mannequin, on another mannequin. All right, so I don't want it to give me back the same thing, so I want it to display it on another mannequin. So it's trying to generate it for me. Good, so just take a look at this. Just take a look at this, okay? So it has displayed this image on another mannequin. All right, so now let's ask it again. Could you model it on a runway model, okay? So this time we don't want it on a mannequin, we want it on an actual human, okay? We want it on an actual human. So you have to make your requests very specific, okay? Good, so this is it. It has given us it has displayed it on a runway model. All right, so this is the result. So what you will do is you will click on the image like this. You will see the save button at the top right side of your screen. You will see where it is giving a save button. You press save. All right, it says sorry, something went wrong. So what I usually do, if it tells me something went wrong, I'll click on the share button. Okay, then I'll go to my WhatsApp. Yeah, what I usually do, I'll go to my WhatsApp and share it to myself. This is me, this is myself. I will share it to myself. All right, see, I have others. That look at another one that I did. Okay, so I will share it there and then I will go back to the Gemini and that is it. So now let me break it down for you. The reason why I don't really like the images of Gemini is because they are not very popping, like the colors are not very clear. They don't really give you that clear image, okay, but it displays, okay, it can serve. At least it is better. Look at it, just compare it. At least it is better than the one on my own mannequin. Look at the one on my own mannequin. So at least that one is better. Okay, these ones that it showed me, at least they are better. So you can also make other more modifications. And then one other thing I don't really like Gemini is because it just gives you the result without prompting if you need it to do other things for you. All right, so we'll go to the second one without much waste of your time. The last one is ChatGPT, which is my favorite. I know it is something that you have heard of or you have come across, but don't scroll. Just stay to the end of what I will be telling you because I'll be doing it. I'll be practicalizing how I use ChatGPT, and you will see the reason why I like it more than the other, okay? This is not a sponsored video. This is just my personal experience, all right? So ChatGPT is my favorite. There are a lot of things I use ChatGPT apart from projects and the rest of things that students use ChatGPT for. Actually, fashion designers should seize this opportunity to use ChatGPT because, oh my god, it gives clear images. It, like, let me just practicalize it. I will be sharing what I do with on the screen so that you will see what I am talking about. Okay, so the next application is ChatGPT. and we will go to the Play Store. Okay, again, then we will search. You will go to the search bar, we clear what we had there already, and we type chat GPT. Okay, so this is chat GPT. You will see it is already installed on my phone. If you look at the screen, you will see that it is a little bit different, but it is showing ask anything. So what can I help you with? So you will come down here to where you have the cursor, the arrow here. Okay, you click on image and then you click on photo. Okay, so I'll be using the same image that we modified, so that we will see the difference. Okay, I want you to see the difference between the first one and this one. So here is the image, add image, and then it said ask anything. So could you model this dress on a mannequin? Okay, could you model this dress on a mannequin? Okay, so it said this dress is already displayed on a mannequin in the picture you shared. Would you like me to recreate a clearer mannequin modeling? So you see, this is one of the reasons why I like ChatGPT. It is intentionally specific. So you just type yes. Okay, so it will keep probing, like there's a way it will keep probing and asking you. So it is telling you that it is processing the image. Okay, if you have come far viewing this video, watching this video, like my video now, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Okay, and turn on your notification bell so that I'll be bringing up tips for you like this one. Okay, so it is still processing. Okay, one thing with ChatGPT is that it actually wastes longer time than Gemini, but it gives you better things. Okay, it gives you more things. All right, I'm not trying to discredit the other one. I actually love the other one because the images of the other one are always looking natural. Like, look at that runway model, it looks very, very natural. Okay, while the one of ChatGPT, you will see how this one looks. Our image displayed. Okay, let me turn the screen to the right way. Good. So look at our image. Let me open it. Now this is our image. Okay, so it may not be very, very accurate. Okay, it may not be very, very accurate. So on the mannequin, it actually thought the dress is not long. Actually, it did not show that it is very long to the to the ankle length. So but just look at this image, see how clear all the colors pop out. Just look at it. All right, so let's go back to our chart. Okay, let's go back to our chart. I want to ask it more questions. So now I'll ask it again. Could you model it on, could you make the dress longer? All right, could you make the dress longer? All right, just hold on and see. So here is our image already created. All right, so I'll be turning my phone to the other side. All right, so it has made the dress longer. Good. So you see that it has made the dress longer. Okay, so the next thing I will ask it to, please model it on an actual human. Okay, model it on an actual human. So now look at it. It will not just go ahead to model it straight up like we had in Gemini. Now look at the questions it asks. I can definitely do that for you to make the dress look natural on a real person. Would you like me to? Now it asks me, one, model it on a runway style human figure like fashion catalog style, or on a casual everyday human model. So I will tell it on a casual. I'll just type casual. Once you type casual, it will get it. So casual. All right, So our image has been created. Good. Look at the image. Okay, look on the phone. Just take a look at the image. All right, just take a look at the image. See how clean it is. See how actual. Like, just look at how the app has helped me to model this dress on this person. Okay, so the next thing you will do is look at the buttons at the down part of your screen. You will see save. Okay, so I press save, and if I go to my gallery, it will be saved on my gallery. All right, so I want to ask it another question. I want to tell it to model it on a black woman. On a black woman, you can actually tell it to model it on whoever, like a black woman, an Asian, an Indian. Like, you can just be specific. You can tell it to model it while sitting. You can tell it to, so you see, it's still processing. It's going to give me another image. It means that I have not reached my limit, because it actually has a limit after 22, yeah, I think after 22 hours. So I skipped the part where I had to wait longer. Like, I had to wait for about 3 minutes for this image to be created, okay? But I skipped that part. So when you are doing yours, be patient. So this is the image. See what I was talking about? It has changed the human from a white human being to a black woman, from a white woman to a black woman. Now you can still tell it to do more things for you. You can ask it to make the woman sitting, or to make the woman smiling with her teeth open. You can tell it to turn her back. Like, there are a lot of things you could have, you can do with ChatGPT. So if you are a fashion designer and you are not using these two applications to display your images, your dresses, you are sleeping on something. Guys, ChatGPT is free, like 100% free. You don't have to get the pro version of it, okay? You can actually get 3 images every 24 hours. So in every 24 hours, as a fashion designer, you can make 3 images on ChatGPT. Hey, so what are you still doing? Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more of these tips, more of this knowledge to you as an upcoming fashion designer, and you're not going to regret it. If you are struggling with any design, any fashion design, okay, creating any pattern, you can drop it in my comment section, and I will break it down for you in my next video or in another video. If you have used ChatGPT before or Gemini before, I want you to drop a comment to tell me how you have been using it. Have you been using it as a fashion designer or not? And if you have been using it, what is your experience with ChatGPT and Gemini? See you in my next video. Bye.